In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for email. If you want a fast way to create a polished marketing email, ChatGPT can help you turn a simple idea into a professional draft in just a few seconds. In this example, we're using it to write an email announcing a new product to existing customers. This is a great use case because it combines structure, persuasion, and clarity, and ChatGPT can handle all of that well when you give it the right prompt. To get started, go to ChatGPT and create a prompt that clearly explains what kind of email you want. The prompt in this example asks ChatGPT to write a professional email announcing the launch of a new product to existing customers. It also tells the AI exactly what to include: an engaging subject line, a personalized greeting, a brief introduction, the key features and benefits of the product, a clear call to action encouraging readers to learn more or make a purchase, and a warm, professional closing. It also specifies that the email should be concise, persuasive, and easy to read. This part is important because the quality of your result depends heavily on the quality of your instructions. The more clearly you define the goal, audience, tone, and structure, the better the email draft will be. If you're ever unhappy with an output, the first thing to improve is usually the prompt itself. Try to be specific about what you need, especially if the email has a business purpose. Once your prompt is written, take a quick moment to review it before sending. Make sure it includes the purpose of the email, who it's for, and the style you want. That helps reduce the need for edits later and makes the response more useful right away. When everything looks good, click Submit. ChatGPT will then generate the email based on your instructions. In just a moment, you'll have a draft that you can review, refine, and adapt for your brand or message. A helpful tip here is to think of ChatGPT as a first draft assistant, not the final decision maker. Even if the output is strong, you should still read through it carefully to make sure the wording matches your voice and the details fit your product and audience. And that's all it takes to use ChatGPT for email in this example. With a well-written prompt and a quick submit, you can save time and create a professional email draft much more efficiently.